rock for the heads and I rock for the feet. I rock for your soul, you could rock to this beat. I rock for the sun, for the moon, for the stars. From the ones driving to the ones sleeping in their cars. For the homeless, to the hopeless, you could vote less if you open up and confess, make the progress. It's so fresh and clean like it was produce. Known by a fruit spirit, go loose. Homie, you got no juice while I'm busy squeezing fresh OJ. You ain't a real rapper, use a role play. Sucker, there was no way. Rap that's so gay could be around another hot minute, go away. I wonder what happened to professional rapping. I'm talking about the days way before John Zappin'. The days when I grew up and threw up a couple of hands. Now I rock for these fans in the making of the bands and the stands where the jams packed out. Pull-o-matic caravans, final remix wax out. You can freaking max out every card and credential. Flip to side B and tell it to the instrumental. Better use a pencil, cause your junk is easy to erase, easy to replace, easy just to hit the backspace on your last place. Gas face crew, my spirit goes 5 miles deep space through, and we can face you, cause the only deep space you got's between your ears and the place where the taste is not. This race is not a sprint, but a marathon. Brace yourself, pace yourself, we could carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on, carry on.